Does renter's insurance cover death? Renter's insurance is not life insurance, obviously, but before you assume the answer is no, give the question some more thought. There might be another answer. I'm Eric from Effective Coverage. Let's find out if renter's insurance covers death. This is one we hear from time to time, but not in the context you're thinking of. But first, let's touch on the obvious. Renter's insurance is not life insurance. If the policyholder dies, there is no policy provision on a renter's insurance policy that will pay for that. You already knew that though, so why does this video exist? Because there is in fact another answer. On the other hand, there's a different answer to renter's insurance covering death if it's the death of someone else. We'd all prefer not to think about it, but there are many ways to cause bodily injury or death to another person accidentally or negligently. That's where your renter's insurance liability coverage kicks in. You see, liability coverage on a renter's insurance policy covers bodily injury or property damage that you do to another person. This coverage would pay for someone else's death that you caused. In addition to covering an accidental death caused by the policyholder, renter's insurance liability will also cover negligent bodily injury done to another person. This means that if you're negligent in any way, that let's say you hung up the Christmas lights and they came down and caused a person to trip over them, their injuries are covered. If they trip over your lights and manage to break the wire and get shocked as a result, there's potentially coverage there as well if the resulting injuries cause their death. Liability coverage on a renter's insurance can respond to a situation of many types when you injure another person. It's morbid. No one really wants to consider it, but if you do cause injury or death to another through your negligence, as in that Christmas light example, liability coverage is there to protect you and your assets. Now, if you're new here and want more tips on renter's insurance coverage and how to get the very best price, subscribe to the Effective Coverage YouTube channel. And please don't forget that you can get renter's insurance from the only exclusive provider of insurance for renters at effectivecoverage.com or by giving us a call and speaking with one of our insurance experts. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.